If your remote control is not working, you gotta try these simple fixes before you freak out and buy a new one. First up, swap out those batteries, because dead or weak batteries are the most common reason your remote suddenly stops working. Make sure you're using fresh ones and put them in right. Sometimes people flip them the wrong way. Next, try reprogramming the remote if you have one that needs syncing with your device, like a television or sound system. Sometimes, the connection just gets lost, and it's an easy fix by following the manual or an online guide. Also, check for signal interference. Things like other electronics, fluorescent lights, or even your phone can mess with the remote's infrared signal. Try turning off nearby devices or moving closer to the receiver. If none of that works, your remote might be physically damaged or just plain old busted, so replacing it could be your best bet. Remember to clean the remote sensor and the device's sensor with a soft cloth to make sure dirt isn't blocking the signal. And don't forget to test the remote on another device if you can, just to be sure it's the remote and not the gadget itself acting up. One of the biggest headaches with a remote control not working is running out of battery life and ignoring it. Always start there because it's the easiest fix and saves time. Another common mistake is forgetting to reprogram or resync your universal remote after changing devices or settings, which means it won't communicate properly until you do that. Lastly, people often overlook signal interference from other electronics or physical obstructions between the remote and the device. Clearing the line of sight usually fixes this fast. To handle these issues, first replace batteries regularly, follow your device's instructions to reprogram the remote, and keep an eye out for anything that might block or disrupt the signal. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource that helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about who to call for repairs or upgrades. Plus, it's great for contractors looking to get reliable jobs without wasting time on dead-end leads.